Hey everybody, welcome back to Second Chance Overland. I'm back in the shop today to work on another special project. This is a 1970 Jeepster Commando. We're going to do a little bit of suspension work and get started on doing some brake work on it. My youngest stepdaughter Kylie is going to be joining me and learning how to work on these things. So stay tuned and let's get some work done on this old classic. Right, so we're going to put that on this bolt here, and then you're just going to pull, try to break it loose.
Oh, I got it.
See?
It wasn't that hard.
Okay, so we've got a bolt here and then a bolt down here at the bottom of the shock. So you just double check the socket to make sure it's the right size.
What if I turn the wrong way to make it harder?
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
That does not help me. Oh no. Am I going the right way?
If you're pulling towards me, yes.
Got it.
All right.
Don't want to get you.
Okay, so stop.
Why?
That's the wrong way.
What? Oh.
Because that bolt is facing the other way.
I would have figured it out eventually.
I know, but
In a day. I take it back. I don't want to do this anymore.
3 bolts and she's given up.
Yeah.
Now we've got 4 on the bottom here.
Surely isn't this size.
It's not, and don't call me Shirley.
Well, no. That way? This way? Are you sure? I feel like I'm tightening it.
No, you're not. Promise you're not.
Okay.
Alright, so we got this side all torn apart. Took a little bit of work. I had to cut the front bolt out and then the rear shackle. I actually had to pull that mounting bracket off and then really kind of work it to get it out. Use some heat to get the rubber to soften up around the shaft of the shackle so that I can get it out. But spring is out. I got the new one laid out and ready, so we're going to get started on putting the new spring in. We're going to start with the front, so we're going to raise the front up into the mount here, throw the bolt through it, and then we can swing the back end up and do the shackle. So let's get going on this. All right, so we got the spring on with the new shackles. We got the new lower mounting plates, new U-bolts. All we got left is to put the shocks on, and the rear is done. All right, so there it is. New leaf spring in, new shock, new shackle, new mounting plate, new U-bolts. So it's taken a bit to get there, but the rear is finally done on the suspension. Now we got to move on to the front. Look at that. No effort to collapse it, and absolutely no rebound. Well, that was a ton easier than any of the rears. The hardest part on this was that rear bolt coming out was up against the exhaust, so I had to really tweak it to get the bolt to angle through and come out. Now we can start going back together with the new stuff. All right, so the suspension is done. Got the new leaf springs, new shackles, new shocks, all the way around. So I'm really excited to see how this thing rides now. Those shocks were absolutely toast. You could definitely tell that the springs had sagged. So really looking forward to getting this thing back on the road and see how it does. I do still have a lot more to do on this thing. I've got some brake work to do, and it's going to be a project. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you can see more content on projects like the Jeepster and all my other Jeeps, as well as some fun off-roading and overland adventures. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.